Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about master connecting rod of radial engine. So this is the component. So I am going to create this component. So let's start now. I have taken a new SolidWorks file, select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one circle at this origin, diameter is 63, go to feature, select extruded Emboss, select mid plane, and this is 70. Select top plane, go to sketch, draw one center line horizontally, so this is 250. Make sure that this is horizontal, apply horizontal constraint, draw one more circle, so this is 35, select extruded Emboss and height is 35. Now select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one circle, this is 37, move little bit up, so this is 26, and diameter is 10. Draw one more circle, distance between these two circles is 17. Distance between this origin and this circle is 15. So this is 39, and these two circles are equal dia, so make it equal constraint. Now draw one center line, and midpoint line, this is 26, and this is 72. Now select mirror entities, select these two circles, see it is symmetric now. Select center point arc and draw one arc, and select 3-point arc. Now this radius is 13. Select these two arcs, make it equal, and select this point, apply tangent constraint, and this point, apply tangent constraint. Now draw one more arc joining these 2 points. Apply tangent constraint. See, this radius is 72. So make these two radius equal. See here, it is fully constrained now. Now select mirror entities, select these all 4 arcs. See here. Now draw arc connecting these 2 points. Select this, select tangent, select this tangent, and select these 2 arcs and make it equal. See, it is fully constrained now. Now keep these circles as a reference. So we are going to use this for future reference. So make it construction. See here. Now select the feature, extrude. So this is 42 and with mid plane. So it is symmetric now. See here. Now I am going to create one plane. So we have to unhide. Select the right plane, go to features and select plane. See here. We have to keep parallel constraint. Now second reference, we have to take the center of the axis. So the plane is parallel to right plane and exactly at the center of the axis. Say okay. So the plane is created now. We can hide these axes. See. So for better visibility, select this plane and make it little bit bigger. See here. Now I am going to create a sketch on this plane. Select this sketch command and select center rectangle. So I am going to create a square. So select these 2 lines and make it equal. Side is 18 and say okay. And select this face, go to sketch, select convert entities. So here is a rectangle now. So 2 sketches has been created. See here, this is one sketch and this one more sketch. Now I am going to create one sketch in the front plane. So select the front plane, go to sketch. See, we have to select this line and convert entity. See, it is exactly equivalent to this one. So make it construction. Keep it in front view. See here. We can hide this plane now. See, this visible now. Now select this edge and convert entity. and we have to make this as a construction. Now draw on 3-point arc and draw one center line joining this midpoint of these two lines so that we can make symmetric, and draw one line joining these 2 points so it is slightly inclined. See here, if there is an horizontal constraint we have to remove it, so we have to move little bit top and make it tangent. See, this arc radius is 79 and the distance between this point and this edge is 13. So now I am going to mirror this line. So select mirror entities, select these two and say OK. So there are 3 sketches. So I am going to create a loft feature using all the 3 sketches. So we have to select this rectangle, this square and this rectangle. See here, and we have to align this point. These are called controlling points. So we have to move to this point. See here, when we keep in front view, see it is not matching this profile. So it is straight pyramid structure. So we have to use guide curves and select this curve. See, now we can see in front view it is following this path. See here. So we have to say OK. See here. So instead of straight line, it is creating this path. Similarly, see the yellow portion, there is a deviation. So we have to select this and say OK. See, it is matching this profile and say OK. See here. Now I am going to hide this plane. Now this solid component is created. Now I am going to create all these cutouts and hole features. Now select this top plane, go to sketch, draw one straight slot. See, this radius is 6 and distance between centers is 150 and distance between this point and this center is 70. See here, it is created at the top plane. Now go to features, select extruded cut and select blind, and we have to select offset and flip the direction. See here, we have to flip this direction. You can see this offset. I'll keep in front view and a wireframe. See here. So offset I am going to increase by 2.5. See, it is moved little bit, and here we can use blind option or up to next. So up to next it creates exactly at the material portion. See here. So we can mirror the feature or we can repeat this command. So I am going to repeat this command. So select the top plane, go to sketch. So instead of creating sketch, once again we can select the sketch and convert entity. See here, it is created at the top plane go to feature, select extrude cut. Similarly, we have to apply offset value 2.5, and we have to see this orientation. So keep it in wireframe. See, it is in opposite direction. We have to flip this, and here up to next. See here. So symmetrical feature is created. So in a coming feature, if you want to modify this other slot different from this, we can easily modify. So if you mirror this command, this feature, we cannot modify this mirror feature. So that's why it is best practice to create one more feature copying the reference of the sketch. So this is the one of the best practice. Now I am going to create extruded cutout. Select this face, or we can select the top plane and go to sketch and draw one circle. It's 52. Go to feature, extruded cut, and keep it in isometric and through all both sides. Say OK. So material is removed both sides. See here. See why I am selecting this top plane is, so most of the castings we need to modify as per requirement or design modification. So we have to do number of iterations. So if you select the top plane, so we can, it's easy for us to edit the references. If you select this top face and create extrude cutout, in coming feature this face is modified and it shows an error. To avoid such problems, we have to use front plane, top plane and right plane until unless required. So we should not use this face. So I am going to create cutout at this location. So I am going to use top plane. Select the top plane, go to sketch and draw one more circle. See, if you move the cursor near to this circle, it shows a circle center, and place it over here. So it is exactly at center now. Now this is 24. Go to features and select extruded cut. Keep it in isometric view. See, it is showing downward. So we have to select once again through all both sides and save it. See here, I will show you the cross section now. See here. Now I am going to create hole features, these holes. So we have seen earlier, we have created this sketch, you remember. So this is the sketch. So I am going to use this holes as a reference. So to use this, we have to show the sketch. See here, now the sketch is visible now. So now I am going to select the top view, top plane, and go to sketch. Now select convert entities command and select these 4 circles and say OK. Now select the extruded cut. See here, we have to select through all both sides. See here and say OK. See here. Now we can hide these sketches. So here we can hide it. See. Now finally I am going to apply fillets. Select the fillet command and select this face. This is 35 and the other side also. So this is for smooth transition. See here. We have to create one more cutout. So I am going to select the top plane, go to sketch. So we have to select this circle, convert entity, and simply draw one line connecting this point. So this should be tangential, and draw one closed loop of any size. See here, we have to select this point, and we have to make sure that these two lines are equal, so that the sketch doesn't deviate. So that is the reason for applying constraints. So we can assign any value. So 250, and this is 72, and this is 120. See, now I am going to trim this portion. See this arc, and go to features, select extruded cut. So we have to select mid plane. See here. So I have taken 20 mm and say OK. See here. Now I am going to apply fillets of 1 mm. So at this location. See. So since it is a casting component, we have to apply fillets. And we can apply at this location also. That is a smooth transition of these surfaces. See. See. See, this is the final component. I am going to show you the cross section. See, this is the cross section. So this is how we create this kind of casting components. So this is brief about master connecting rod of Radial engine. Thanks for watching.